And this is notorious. This drink is known locally as a stamina punch. Strengthen your back and, gives you that energy, that drive. What's up? What's up? This is Rico. Don't forget to show me some love. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yeah. It's Rico. What is up, my family? So today we're gonna have some juicy, delicious Jamaican jerk chicken and Jamaican fried festival. And if you've never had Jamaican fried festival, I'm gonna let you in on the secret right about now. And on the side we'll have some nice steamed cabbage. So let's go. You take the very first bite. Essentially, the Jamaican Fried Festival is a sort of Jamaican dumpling, but it's slightly different. It's on the sweeter side. The Jamaican Fried Festival is usually served with jerk chicken, fried fish, escovitch fish, stuff like that. Ingredients are sugar, flour, cornmeal, and your baking powder. The dough is done in a particular way. You mix all those ingredients, make the dough, and then roll it into a shape like this and drop it into a pot of hot oil. And voila! This, my friend, is the Jamaican Fried Festival. Here's our jerk chicken. Take the very first bite. And if you know anything about me, when it comes to the dark meat on the chicken, I absolutely love the drumsticks. I'm not a big fan of the chicken thigh. I love these drumsticks, not the chicken thigh. The thigh is just too wet for me. These are very moist and well cooked, so I like the drumsticks more. Steamed cabbage for you. It's a vegetable medley. I see pumpkin, carrots, cabbage, onions, and zucchini, but it's mostly cabbage. I would say 90% of this medley here is your steamed cabbage. So you take a bite, grab that. Wow. Absolutely fresh and crunchy. Love it, love it. First bite of the chicken leg or drumstick. Some nice jerk flavor. Oh, so soft, it's falling from the bone. Look at that. So your jerk chicken. Zucchini. Pumpkins. Fried plantains because I can't resist it. So you're gonna hear other cars passing sometimes, but don't worry about them. Just focus on this delicious food here. That's your festival. Very, very soft. And it's sweet to the taste. Not overly sweet, but it's sweet because sugar is a part of the ingredients.
Darn delicious.
Comment below if you've ever had Jamaican Festival. And leave me a thumbs up if you absolutely like Jamaican Festival and jerk chicken. Take another bite. This one's a bit spicy. Yeah, man. Very moist. What's your favorite part of the chicken? Leave me a comment below and let me know, alright? Mmm. 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 Super yummy, guys. Still got 3 more chicken drumsticks and lots of veggies. Mmm. Plantain. Mmm. That's an allspice seed. That's the berry of a pimento, Jamaican pimento, or allspice seasoning. That's the whole berry. Gives a lot of flavor to your jerk meats. Mmm. Cabbage. Mmm. 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 And usually I'm gonna go through this very quickly because 1, I don't like cold food, and 2, I'm super hungry. So, it's delicious. You can dip it in the gravy, in the sauce if you wish to. It's all up to you. It's about preference. Huge drumstick. It's so soft, almost like I don't have to chew it. I just chop, swallow, chop, swallow. Remember, leave me a comment below, letting me know which part of the chicken is your favorite. I love drumstick. It's my favorite dark meat portion. I absolutely love the drumsticks. I also love the chicken wings and breast. Back in the days growing up, your bones, I would crack them, but no way I'm cracking these bones. Take a bite, take a bite. Wow. It's another chicken, jerk Jamaican chicken, and this is the chicken leg, aka drumstick. Look at that. So moist and tender. Just fell from the bone. And this is all meat. So right about now, this is the best part about the meal today. This is called Irish moss, or in Jamaica they say Irish mush, but it's Irish moss. It's one of those plants that are in the seaweed family, and the fishermen, they would harvest this plant and then they would dry it and boil it for hours and hours until a thick porridge like substance remain, and that's how you get your Irish mush drink. It is then sweetened, milk is added. Can see the ingredients here: water, Irish moss, linseed. We all know what linseed is, so linseed is also in this. Condensed milk, cane sugar, spices, some Jamaican Irish mush, Irish moss or Irish mush. It's very thick. Look at that. So thick. Look. So thick. My bad. You take the first sip. Take a sip. Take a sip. Oh yeah. Thick, right? Thick. It's not too sweet because they put just the right amount of cane sugar and condensed milk. And this is notorious. This drink is known locally as a stamina punch. Strengthen your back and, you know, gives you that energy, that drive. I can smell the spices though. Yes, the spices are strong. Probably vanilla extract and some rose water. I can smell it. Sip, sip, sip. It's good for you. 100% protein. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, stay true and stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Subscribe.
Yeah, man. So soft, it's falling from the bone. Look at that. Completely fell from the bone. Irish moss. 100% stamina.